Sure, he just blew a rod.
They gotta clean the track now.
Yep, gotta clean the track again, don't they?
Oh, you gotta get the scooter. The scooter's the fastest one out there. Yeah, you gotta pay.
Oh, look, the scooter's the fastest one out here.
Yeah, I think he won. He won.
And we don't got the belly pad on there, do we?
You can't get rid of mustard on me. You got big mustard. I got big mustard. Yeah. That was so cool.
Good luck, man. Alright guys, so we back in the same spot. So, if you've seen my other racing video, we're back in the same spot. If you haven't seen that yet, go ahead, click up above. I'm pretty sure it's right here, but I'm not sure. It's probably on the other side. But I'll flip myself if it is. We're right up on top. There's Demonology. And there's Donkmaster. So, we got a lot of cars. We got a good minute.
see you up there. Look at you, dreadhead. Look at you. The dreads. Up there with the dreads and the beanie and that red hat. Looking like Kevin Gates on crack. No, look at this guy. Look at this dude. Yeah! Yeah! Got you, fam. So you didn't catch the race? Yeah!
Alright guys, so we made it home and I'm so tired that my eyes are actually red, if not, you know, not the contacts. But dude, I am so tired. I'm a little bummed out that my camera died at the, like right at the burnout. That was so messed up that it just died right there. But it's all good because Jared had his camera, or had my old camera. Lindsay had her camera on her phone, so we got multiple different views. So it's gonna be a lot for me to edit, but we're good. I had a good time. It was pretty nice. And not only that, but yeah, we won the trophy. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Then it says YouTuber call out on there. It says Scary Fast, Halloween Bash, YouTuber call out. But yeah, not only that we won the best four, but this is actually my first trophy I ever wanted, like for the car. So I'm pretty ecstatic about that. Even though I was the only Ford there, so I kind of won by default, but sorry, it still counts. We about to go to sleep. So please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Check out the merchandise. I don't know. Y'all can see the back, I guess. I'll post a picture on the screen. Go ahead, click the link below. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm so tired. I can't even think straight. So now I gotta peel all this crap off. Oh well, it's all good. I'll see you on the next video.